Eliminate smoke smell from your car. Many of us have experienced circumstances where we simply cannot get the odor of smoke out of our cars, despite our best efforts. This is especially true if the interior of the car has been exposed to cigarette smoke for a long time. The smell of smoke can drive you mad, whether you used to smoke or you purchased a used car that had previous occupants who smoked. Here are the first steps to take to eliminate that smoke smell for good. It's important to make sure you get rid of cigarette odor from your heater and air conditioner, as well as from interior surfaces like carpet and upholstery. To let your car air out and get rid of some of the smoke smell, roll down your windows and clean your car in a well-ventilated place. Eliminate any traces of cigarettes, cigars, tobacco like ash, garbage, and related debris. If possible, take out the floor mats and seat covers from your car, so you can thoroughly vacuum every crevice. Vacuuming the floor mats and carpets separately is recommended, as well as giving the floor mats some time to air out in the sunlight. Wipe down any exposed inside surfaces, including the dashboard and steering wheel, with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Since smokers frequently blow in the direction of the steering wheel, it's usually where the most cigarette scent can be found. You can also wipe down the windows with the same mixture of white vinegar and water using a clean, lint-free cloth. Vinegar is a safe, natural remedy, but its odors are strong, so leave the doors and windows open when cleaning. Next, set the fan and air conditioner to their coolest possible settings, which should be full fan and the lowest temperature. Be sure to switch off the air recirculation. The smoke smell can be removed by rolling down the windows and using the air conditioner to blow out the smoke smell. To make your own odor neutralizer spray, mix together 1 3/4 cup water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. You can spray your DIY odor neutralizer directly into the air intake vent. This will greatly reduce the stench of cigarette smoke coming from the air conditioner. Repeat until you can no longer smell smoke. You should also turn your heating system to its highest heat setting and spray the odor neutralizer into the intake system while the heat is on. This will eliminate the smell from the interior ductwork. Here are some other ways to help get rid of the smoke smell in your car. Undiluted white vinegar is a great protection against cigarette smoke. Just pour vinegar into a cup or bowl and leave it in your car overnight. Baking soda is another really good resource for getting rid of smells. Sprinkle some baking soda over the carpet and the floor mat, then vacuum it up. Activated charcoal also works really well for getting rid of smoke smell. Leave a bowl of activated charcoal in your car for a few days to absorb the cigarette smell and get rid of it completely, not just mask it. Using a combination of activated charcoal and baking soda will absorb strong smoke odors the best. You can even use citrus fruits to neutralize the smell of smoke in a car. Place peels of recently cut lemons, limes, or oranges in your car for a few days as a completely all-natural way to get rid of cigarette odor. Coffee grounds in your car is another excellent way to get rid of the smell of smoke, but this quick fix will probably only mask the odor rather than get rid of it completely. If your seats are made of cloth, you can use dryer sheets to clean them. This effective technique will deodorize your automobile right away, but it's unlikely to get rid of the smoke smell entirely. Using kitty litter to absorb the smell of cigarette smoke is last, but certainly not least on our list of home treatments. Simply place a bowl of cat litter in your car and let it work its magic for a few days. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.